Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. I checked this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over how to monetize your YouTube account instantly. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now today on my channel, I'm about to share some valuable information with y'all, and this is how to monetize any YouTube channel instantly, whether you have 1,000 subscribers or not, whether your content is suitable for YouTube's partner program or not. I'm about to go over how to monetize your YouTube channel instantly. Now, it's 3 ways you can do this, right? The first way is by adding affiliate marketing links within your description of your videos. Now, you can see right here, I made a video about Sprizzy ad campaign, but what people don't realize is I went ahead and signed up for Sprizzy affiliate program. So anytime people watch that video and then they sign up through Sprizzy through that link, I receive a commission. And I receive like over $200 per month just from all of my Sprizzy videos, so I add that in every video. Another way you can monetize your channel instantly on YouTube is by product review videos. If you make product review videos for products on Amazon, you could actually become what's called an Amazon partner, right? And every time, right, let me go on Amazon really quick. I'm an Amazon partner, so every time you make a YouTube video about Amazon, if you go here, right at the top on the Amazon associate site stripe right here, any product, any web page you go on here, you can click text, right, and then you can promote the link. So you can make videos about products on Amazon, and you can add the product link, and then when people click and buy from Amazon, you receive a commission that way. And that's a way to instantly monetize your YouTube channel. Another way, to instantly monetize your YouTube channel is by syncing your channel on LBRY. Now, LBRY is a cryptocurrency platform similar to YouTube, right? It's a video platform that pays you in what's called LBRY credits. And LBRY credits is something that you can convert to Bitcoin, which Bitcoin can be converted into money back into your bank account. So by interacting with LBRY, by being on LBRY, you can get paid, you can get monetized. We can go to my LBRY account. First day on LBRY, I made 535 LBC, which are LBRY credits. We pull up the calculator, we pull up this calculator right here. We can see at the current price of 4 cents, which is a perfect time to buy LBRY credits. You can earn them automatically, but if we go 535 times 4 cents, we see the first day of syncing my channel on LBRY, I've earned $21. First day, I earned $21.40 the first day, right? And like, let's say if I wanted to, cash this out, you could send your credits, to something like Simple Swap, right? And this is a crypto exchange where, you can send credits to send LBRY credits to get Bitcoin, and then you will send the Bitcoin to your Bitcoin wallet, and from there you can cash it out. Definitely, if you have a Coinbase account, I recommend everybody getting a Coinbase account, link in the description. But if you want to instantly monetize your YouTube channel, you have to use LBRY. Now, LBRY is a decentralized digital marketplace similar to YouTube. It's all video marketplace, but the thing about LBRY is that every video is accepted. You can share anything, you can post anything. For example, on YouTube, if you have a strand review, if you make a channel about medical cannabis, right, you cannot monetize that. You cannot monetize that no matter how many views you get, no matter how big your following is, you cannot monetize that unless you have affiliate links in the description, or, you're doing paid product reviews, for these companies. That's the only way you can monetize a platform like that. But if you were to sync, your YouTube channel with LBRY, you could earn money instantly. You could start earning money instantly. So, like, for example, let's say if you have a YouTube channel with 1,000 subscribers, just for being active on LBRY, you're gonna get $55 per year. Now, LBRY has rules like for every view you receive, you get between 5 cents and 26 cents. You know, and then you could compare this to how YouTube pays out, right? And you could see like you get more money on LBRY, you know, by interacting with LBRY and promoting. You could do a lot on LBRY. I'm just now really truly getting exposed to this platform. Haven't done anything, and I already made $21 my first day just by syncing up my account. You can promote your videos using LBRY credits and to get them more exposure throughout the search engine. So it's big. I like LBRY. I really like where it's going. You can see my channel, it instantly syncs. Anytime you post a new video on YouTube, you know, it automatically syncs to LBRY. And when people watch, you know, verified accounts watch your content on LBRY, you get paid, and it automatically goes in your account. People can tip you instead of liking and disliking videos. You know, the algorithm or the interaction on here is tipping and commenting. So only thing a person can do on your video is either tip it, add money to it, or comment on it. So it's a more community-based platform. It's not like a lot of hate. You know, I don't see a lot of hate being displayed on this platform, you know, in the future. I see it being a strong community, and I'm just letting y'all know about this because, you know, YouTube, a lot of people, you know, voice their opinion about YouTube, and we got to understand we don't own YouTube. But LBRY is something that the people, we can build up. We can build this up, and we can own this. You know, it doesn't belong to anyone. You know what I'm saying? It's a decentralized open network platform. You know, anybody can join. All content is allowed. You know, all voices are allowed on LBRY. So I recommend y'all doing more research on LBRY just to fully understand like how powerful this platform is. And anybody that's, you know, in the YouTube, you know, whether you have a big channel or a small channel, I believe is valuable to sync your content with LBRY. And it's very easy. All you have to do is come on here, you find your channel name, you know, you allow LBRY, it'll create an access token, you know, and it'll automatically sync every one of your videos, you know, creating copies. So if anything was to ever happen to your YouTube channel, you got your whole library on LBRY. You got your whole catalog on LBRY, you know. So, you know, and you can start earning immediately. You know what I'm saying? You can start earning immediately. And like, let's say if you have a big channel, let's say if you got 100,000 subscribers, you automatically, you're gonna get $1,000 just for being active, just for, you know, depending on your subscribers, you qualify for different, you know, tokens per year. So, you know, just for your subscriber count, just for being active on LBRY, they reward you. And then, you know, once your videos get views, because I uploaded so many videos, right? My channel, I got over 800 videos, right? Every video I ever put on YouTube, even ones that I couldn't get monetized on YouTube, are being monetized on LBRY, right? And every time somebody watches a video, I get 5 cents. And, you know, when I go into, let me go into my wallet. You can see, let this load really quick. Let this load. You can see, like, I'm getting tips. I'm not even doing nothing. Like, my videos is getting tips. You know, tips. So I like this platform. It's really interesting to me. My content fully synced all yesterday, and, you know, I'm monetized. I'm already monetized. I'm already making money from this coin, and it's a great time to buy. It's 4 cents, extremely undervalued. This in the last, we're going through the third Bitcoin halving right now, and it's a great time to, you know, generate wealth. If anybody was looking for an altcoin that has a purpose and a platform and direction in which they're going in, I believe LBRY credits is it. At the prices at, you know, you can find other crypto or altcoins like that, but what LBRY does, like the YouTube like function, and, you know, the undervalued price, I believe this is probably one of the best cryptocurrencies to pay attention to within this next year, because it could do some crazy things. Like this can get to $10 per credit. So just imagine if you invest right now at 4 cents, how many credits you would get, and then the equivalence, you know, when it's worth $10, the value, you know. So that's my video today, how to monetize your YouTube channel instantly. Just to give y'all a quick rundown, to monetize your YouTube channel instantly, you can add affiliate links within the description of your videos. You can make product reviews from Amazon products, and you know, just use the link at the top, or you can go and sync your YouTube channel with LBRY, get in front of the LBRY audience, and start earning cryptocurrency again. Like, I know a lot of people like, you cryptocurrency, you can't convert it to money. Yes, you can. You can actually, you know, go on your LBRY credits. You have an address to receive these coins, and you can send them out, and you use a website called SimpleSwap, which is a cryptocurrency exchange. You know, the minimum is, you know, 1,100 LBRY credits, which is about, right now, that's about $50. Let's just say it's about $50. You have to at least send out $50. So when you make $50 on LBRY credit, you're able to send this and convert it to Bitcoin, which you can send to your Coinbase wallet. You know, you would send that Bitcoin, once you convert your LBRY to Bitcoin. Right here, you would enter in your Coinbase Bitcoin address, right? And then you would exchange that, and then the Bitcoin will process into your Coinbase wallet, and then from there you would be able to cash out into money or whatever currency or altcoin you want to, you know, trade that for. So I like this. I really like this platform. I believe it's going to go places, you know, with the whole video integration and the community behind it. It has a community already. So I'm doing my part to bring my awareness, to bring y'all aware of this. But this is how you monetize your YouTube account instantly. It's your boy YON WORLD. I'm out. Peace.